Alright, so it's a workout. That was a workout. We're getting with 10,000 steps. Meet the Mitchell family. Alright, so guys, it's my last day in Florida, so you know, say, I have to come on the mall and do some little shopping, pick up some things for myself and the kids and the house. Gio's supposed to be meeting me here in a little bit, so we're looking forward to a whole day shopping. I'm gonna shop till me drop. Granted, you know, so I might need one of them something, yeah? That is it, you know.
Wow, reach back again. All time.
Man, so you know me not stall, you see me?
Can't stall.
Yeah, man, about to have a ball, you see me?
I make 2 calls.
That is it.
Alright.
So, more pick up some stuff for like some shirt and some, so even for the boys them too. But let's make a walk. Like Jackson said, want a controller too. The PS5, them have it in the GameStop in there.
Yeah man, everything I America in there man.
Everything in there.
Everything there.
Alright, cool. Hey, well, walk down the mall, you know, I wonder if him can keep up with me, you know, people. You don't know about them shopping there, you know. You ready for the long haul, Bridget?
Yeah man.
You think a joke thing? You better buy a Haagen-Dazs and build up your energy. See my buck up first cause them from the mall.
We're outside man. Outside. Go on.
Alright, yeah man, big up. Come on, see? Respect.
Bless up man.
At the pickleball store, pickleball / tennis and a couple other sports, but look what them do. Yo, this is crazy. This is in the mall and this must be like about 25 stores, floor spaces. Watch it, court. No man, so people are bare sweaty people that gotta walk through the mall for come here so and go back and rent and see the paddles them and everything there. No man, them are OD so no man. Alright guys, so we'll walk up and down on the mall for about 4 hours. Over 4 hours now. You know, I'm tired, I don't want to see my picnic them, but I have to buy up some things for them. Ivy got to get a little baby, you know what I'm saying? She have to get a little pony and something them. Atlas have to get him like a car and Azzy have to get him something them. Jackson have to get him things and him things. Yeah, but I'm ready for going there now though. Ready to go home to my picnic them and my wife. I'm gonna lift you up Momo. So the next vlog you're gonna see me and Gio reaching home to the kids and the family. So that should be good. Reunited after over a month. Gio no come. It a go nice. Alright guys, and this is boiled down to my little baby were born where they are drive me in a foreign. Joke, Mr. Ratty. Man, them thought big man boy, joke thing. Yeah, long day of shopping. And that's right where we're wrapping. You know what I say? So I head back to our home destination. Gio stay by him grandma, me stay by Melly and Timmy them. Works, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so it's a workout. That was a workout. We're getting with 10,000 steps. About 3 different times. Gio not used to them things there. So you go, don't worry, I hate it too. I don't love it. And I know I might do it gracefully, but I don't love it. But you don't know, a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. When you come a foreign, you can't left barring. That is it. Cool guys. Hey guys.
By the lights are on.
Hi Boozies.
Hi. I look to turn this on. That you have to press the little button right here. Look.
Okay, cool.
Pressure down in your right activities.
Hi Poughkeepsie.
Hi, Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah. Did you play with your pony or your Barbie?
Daddy, maybe you can bring one for me. Or play with her, like, try and practice.
I see.
Okay, let me go get your Barbie, okay?
No.
What you want, the pony
Yeah.
or the baby?
No.
Which one?
Please.
Pony? Okay, cool. Here we go. That's a long hair pony. Hey, Daddy going with himself, you know? Daddy makes her search around the place for two little tie for him daughter, you know?
Thank you,
There
Daddy.
you go, Bam.
Now look. Dad.
What? What? I would style that. We are phenom. Oh, what's my little dolly? You're my little dolly, you know. You're my little dolly, you know. So Nana go gym today?
Acorn. Acorn.
Yesterday.
Acorn.
Nana go gym.
Yeah, man.
Cha-cha.
Acorn.
Nana been going in for the last so many years.
Acorn.
No, but she never got gym.
Unicorn, she's saying, Daddy. Unicorn.
Unicorn.
I'm gonna put the clip there. Oh, gosh.
Unicorn. With the one little horn.
Oh, here.
Alex.
Don't point it in the eyes. Don't, not in the eyes. Not directly, okay?
Daddy. Transformer. I saw Novo.
Alright guys, so the kids are off to school now. Tami gone gym. Gio is sleeping. It's a overcast morning in Kingston City. What else going on? Greg and Terry are off. Gone back to England. They were flying throughout the night, so them should be back now safe and sound in England with their family. And thing, Nana supposed to come check with today. Must come check me because a long time she not see her son-in-law. My mom is gonna check me today too. Yeah, so whole heap of things to get back in the groove. It was a quick trip, just one little, just 2 little days or so. But we have stuff to do. You don't know. Hey, people, as you blink at Christmas, remember me tell you. Alright, see Momo say Christmas already. October now? Today 1st. Lord jeez, October 1st, people. October 1st. Tuesday, October the 1st. You know, say, call it say Christmas, you know. You soon start hear the Christmas carol, them start playing the ads them. The big company, them start advertise Christmas season on the TV. Just look. This season you plant, you sow the seeds to reap in Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Whatever projects or work you're doing, getting going. So, make hay while the sun shine. Right now the sun not shine, but we still a make hay.
Oh boy, it's raining, it's raining. Rainy day in Kingston Town. I just got finished with the gym, and listen, it's like Jeremy just try to kill me at the gym star. It's like the man hear me say, "May I ready to get back in a minute, you know?" And him say, alright. Man, it's crazy. I feel a little weak. Which way are you going, sir? What are you doing? You going? Okay, you're not going. Anyway, I'm very happy because Wayne and Gio are back home, and you know I am happiest when everybody is home. And I'm happiest when all the children are in one place. It's just a natural, normal feeling, I think. To have everybody in one place just feels good. And last night, obviously, when the kids saw Gio, I mean, Ivy was screaming her head off when she saw her father and Gio come. And then she gave Gio the cold shoulder. She loved Gio, you know. But she just gave him the cold shoulder. And then, when she was going to bed, all I hear is this from her room. Gio! Gio said, "I like a roach." It's really nice having them home. And don't take that parking space, please, sir. He's gonna take the parking space. Anyway, don't blow your horn at me. Yo, Jamaican people are really. Maybe that's not a horn. Maybe something's wrong with his car. Come on, you can do it, sir. You can do it. That's where I am at. Oh, I found a nice little spot here. Don't do it. I'm trying to park. Stop being so bullish. Like, jeez, man. Like, these drivers sometimes, they have to just say, what are you doing? And when them crash into you, you know, they don't do nothing. I'll never forget when I was pregnant with Ozzy. And I was parked. You're really a chop. Literally parked at a stop sign. Not parked. Literally stopped at a stop sign. Minding my business. And bam! The car just ran up into my back. And I would have been about 6 months pregnant at that point. And I remember just thinking, wow, you don't have to be doing anything to get into an accident. You don't have to be doing anything for trouble find you. And of course, we did all the things we were supposed to do. Went to report it, XYZ. Nothing came of it. Obviously, I had to fix my car myself. Something was wrong with the papers and his stuff and this and that. And it just makes you feel a little like, well, what's the point, you know? Anyway, I'm about to grab a coffee. Then I'm going to go home. All the kiddies got off just fine. And I have a lot of work to do today. Administrative work. My least favorite work. So I'm going to be tucked into that for a couple hours. Well, so let me crack on.
Just while I fresh touch the road and now go pick up Ivy. Gio gone on the road with Auntie Tessie. Gonna go do some writing and some studio work. She have him under her wing, you know, which is a good thing. Alright, gone for my girl. Hi, Boomsy. What is that you got there in your hand? What's that? Can I see it? Oh, it's a C. You know what C stands for? Cat. You got it. And what color is this?
Yellow.
Not really. Look again. What color is that?
Orange.
You got it right, girl. Alright, come, let's go home. Mommy and Momo and Tish waiting on you, okay?
Sometimes I wonder why did I build this beautiful office if I'm just going to like
I know.
work on my bedside. But you know, I got stuck in here. I was doing one thing and then I was just like, that's how it is doing. My God. So what you doing now?
I'm going to go get some food right quick.
Okay. Gio went out with Tessie.
Yeah, I just spoke to him.
Is he
Them
coming
said
back soon?
they are going to get some food now and then go back to
writing?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's great.
Yeah.
That is great. Ivy's fast asleep, and then our pickups today are a little staggered, but we'll make it work.
So may I go move then, you know?
Alright.
I'm gonna move right quick and then pick up Ozzy.
No, you can't pick up Ozzy. You have to come back because I have to give you food to drop off for Jax.
What?
Because Jax has extras today, so he's gonna need a little snack.
A lunch top up.
Yes.
Jaja. Hey, we never have the lunch top up there one time. We have extracurricular.
You never stay at school or you never had to stay until 7 o'clock.
No, me have cricket and football. Tami, where you talk about? But guess what? You have a thing named bready. One bread and cheese, one bun and cheese. Them dead off.
Facts.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So.
Alright then. We're gone.
Good afternoon, Mr. Oz.
Good morning.
We're waiting on Jax as well. Did you have a good day? Yeah? What was the best part?
PE.
PE. Did you play football?
I played it right up there.
Super.
Yeah, and I tackled some people.
You did? Was that hard?
Yeah. Everyone tried to dribble.
Oh.
But it was easy. I got them every time.
You're a good footballer, Ozzy.
No one was on my team.
Just you?
Yeah.
What kind of team that?
Made us dribble and then tackle everyone.
Make us dribble and tackle everyone. Okay, sir. Do we have a lot of homework today?
We have to do it tomorrow.
No, we have to do homework today.
Mom, the issue is they've got trouble.
Okay, that's the issue?
Yeah.
Can I ask another question?
Yeah.
How was your lunch today?
Good. I ate it all.
What was for lunch today?
I don't remember.
Was it chicken and rice?
Yeah.
Your favorite. Okay,
It was
good.
chicken and rice and broth.
And broccoli. Very good.
I ate it off all.
Oh, you
Want me
ate
to
it
show
all
you?
off. No, it's okay. I believe you.
Mom, I want to show you.
Okay, sure.
Let's let me open it.
It's Jackson.
You're going to be so surprised with this. Make sure the food don't fall out. So I'm going to put it on the chair. And Momo.
Oh my God, everything is done. Whoa, good job.
I like that. Make it for me tomorrow.
Sure. It's delicious, right?
Every day.
Do you remember how I was telling you all that I went to Loshusan to do their shopping for the lunch? Well, one of the lunches we do is
Mom, it's
grilled chicken and rice.
Long. Can't wait to school.
Yeah, we're waiting on him. So what I'll do is I'll share that little video that I made that went on my stories, and I'll share it here for you guys as well, so you guys can have a look at that, and then you can see, you can even screenshot at the end. I was saying you can screenshot the, what's the name again, the supermarket list. That was a great hug, thank you. All right, put on your seatbelt because Ozzy's coming. Atlas is coming. Guys, I'm back with my little mic. I know you guys love it, but I'm giving you a different angle today. You're welcome. All right, so I am sharing with you all my, I want to say it's about 15 ingredients to make 10 lunches for the kids. And when I say 10 lunches, I have 3 that I make lunches for. So it really works out to be 30 lunches. Did I do the math right? You know I'm not so good at math, but yes. Yeah, that's right. I don't buy lunch every day for the kids, and it became really expensive to do that. So I started to pack lunches. But I didn't just want to always pack, nuggets and fries, whatever. So I started to meal prep lunchtime. And so we've whittled it down to like a few different recipes that work for us. Now, I do them in batches and cycles. So for the next 2 weeks, I'm cycling out a few different things. So this week and next week, they will have spaghetti and mince with garlic bread, mini pizzas, grilled chicken and rice, fried rice and seaweed, which is something that they love, and a chicken slider, or maybe corn dogs, not sure. So I'm going to take you shopping at Low Shoe Sound with me. I'm going to leave you a little list at the end so that you can screenshot it, and maybe you can try out some of these easy recipes. So I don't even know if you need recipes. You need recipes? Don't tempt me, y'all. I'll do recipes. All right, let me show you. Okay, so like I said, I'm taking you to Low Shoe Sound to do our lunch list. And as I walked in, I saw the tent. It's up with all of the stuff for October, for Halloween. So many good things, but I can't get distracted right now because right now I am working on my 15 ingredient lunch list. Like I mentioned, I am making really simple things for the next 2 weeks. I'm doing mini pizzas, I'm doing fried rice, I'm doing spaghetti and mince. And guys, I don't make any of that from scratch. I buy like Prego, but I also buy ingredients that I can like use in other things. So like that Prego sauce will also be used on the mini pizzas. Yes, I bought peeled garlic, but that's not one of my ingredients. Now, broccoli is one of those things that you can add to every single one of these meals, and it just makes for a nice vegetable addition. I also got these hot dog rolls, but you can do like Hawaiian rolls to make the chicken tender or chicken nugget sliders, and that works out really well. Saw these containers as well, which I always send lunch in, and they're just easy to grab and go, and you just write their name on it. Yeah, as I was checking out, the tent got me again. Anyway, I'm gonna leave a copy of the shopping list right here for you. Screenshot it and let me know if you like it.